am Miss Diana, teacher at the Bloom Learning Center, and I am the teacher for PK1. I become a teacher because I believe that education can transform life. I'm so excited to inspire students how to grow and to make a positive impact on the world. Teaching is my passion, and I am committed in making a difference in my students' life. My favorite classroom moment this month is when my students finally understand something that they've been struggling with, and it brings that little smile on their face. As a teacher, I describe that as a moment, the little spark that makes the work feel worth it. One word that I would use to describe my classroom is blooming. Why? Because their little one learn to explore, growing and discovering new things every day, just like the flowers opening up one petal at a time. This is Bloom Learning Center, where children grow, explore and discover.